Welcome to Brain Vision.
Here, storm window dimensions are 900 by 1500 mm. M is equal to 10 kilogram. Magnitude of CD is equal to 600 mm. The hinge at A does not exert any axial thrust. To calculate the magnitude of the force exerted by the string and the components of the reaction at A and B, first, we need to draw the free body diagram for the beam to identify the force. Now, as you can see in the diagram, here we are having five unknowns: RAX, RAY, RBX, RBY, and RBZ. From the triangle ACD, AC and D, AC is equal to AD is equal to 1500 mm. Therefore, point F is in the middle of CD, and therefore CF will be 300 mm. Now from the triangle ACF, triangle AC and F, sine theta 2 is equal to, let me write it, all the things over here. AC is equal to AD is equal to 1500 mm. CF is equal to 300 mm. And from the triangle ACF, I can write sine theta by 2 is equal to 300 upon 1500. So, from this we can calculate theta is equal to 23.074 degree. The coordinates of the points are A is equal to 00900, B is equal to, which is the origin, 000, C is equal to 0 minus 1500, 900, and G is equal to 293.94 minus 960 and 450. Apply the equilibrium equation. First, locate each point with respect to B. So for this, we can write RAB is equal to 0I plus 0J plus 900 kmm. RCB is equal to 0I minus 1500J plus 900 kmm. RGB is equal to 293.94 I minus 690J plus 450 kmm. And also we can calculate FCD is equal to FCD into line CD upon magnitude of CD, which gives the answer FCD times 0.9798I plus zero point 0.2J. Now, sigma MB is equal to sigma R cross F is equal to 0, that we know. So by taking the cross product of this R and F, we will get 900 RAXJ minus 900 RAYI minus 293.94 WK plus 450 WI plus 1469.7 FCD K plus 881.82 FCD J minus 180 FCDI is equal to 0. As sigma m is equal to 0 about each coordinate, so we can compare the coefficient individually with 0. So first of all, let's compare the coefficient of k to the 0 for the above equations. First of all, let's gather the all k coefficients. So here in our equation, we are having the first one is minus 293.94 W. Another one is 1469.7 FCD. This one. So this two will goes to 0. So this comparison gives the answer FCD is equal to 19.62 Newton. And by comparing the J component, we will get RAX will be equivalent to minus 19.2236 Newton. And for the coefficient of I, we will get RAY is equal to 45.126 Newton. As we know, sigma f of x is equal to 0. So let's take the summation of all the forces in the x direction, which is equivalent to 0, which gives the answer as a RAX plus RBX plus 0.9798 FCD is equal to 0, which leads to RBX is equal to 0 Newton. Similarly, let's compare all the forces in the y direction, sigma Fy to the 0. So from this we can get RAY plus RBY plus 0.2 FCD minus W is equal to 0. So from this we will get RBY is equal to 49.05 Newton. And by comparing the forces in the z direction, which is also 0, sum of all, so I can write R Bz is equal to 0 Newton. Now also we know Ra is equal to Raxi plus Rayj, which will be equivalent to minus 19.2236I plus 45.126J. And Rb is equal to Rbxi plus Rbyj plus R VZK, which leads to 49.05 J Newton.